Breaking the Sound Barrier by Josh Petromal. The sound barrier was officially broken on October 14, 1947 with the Bell X-1, flown by Chuck Yeager. There were claims that some whips broke the sound barrier before that. To break the sound barrier, a vehicle needs to be traveling 767 miles per hour. When a jet is flying near a person, the person will not hear it until after it's gone by. This is because the jet is flying faster than the sound the object produces. When broken, the jet stops slicing through the air and starts pushing the air like a plow. That leaves many crazy molecules, which explode outwards, making people hear a sonic boom. If you and someone else were talking in the cabin of a jet going faster than the speed of sound, you both could hear each other. This is because you're inside the jet and the air inside is like it is on the ground. People traveling on the Concorde could hear each other, and it traveled at supersonic speeds. Vapor cones are clouds of condensed water. It's seen when a jet approaches supersonic speed. This happens because atmospheric water condenses, and thus becomes visible.
Alright.
Watch the vapor build up on this airplane. Look at that. Oh, Super Hornet high-speed pass.
Yeah, baby!
Ladies and gentlemen, the Super Hornet high-speed pass. Cover your ears.
Sound like a good time.